Hi, Tom Tresser here. Hey, welcome to the TIF Illumination Project. You're being offered the opportunity to download the spreadsheet containing all the raw data for our exclusive 2022 Chicago TIF Illumination. This is 131 TIFs lit up for you. You're not going to find this data anywhere else. Headlines are for 2022, Chicago's 131 TIFs removed $960 million in property taxes. They spent $362 million. And at the end of 2022, sitting in these TIF accounts was the staggering $2.5 billion in property taxes, an all-time high. You're not going to find this information on any website, any organization, no city organization, no nonprofit, no academic unit is tracking this work. We've been in the field for 10 years. So I hope that you'll download this, and if you have any questions or comments, email us at info@civiclab.us. Thanks a lot.